Good morning, students. Hello, and how are you? I hope you all are fine. And today we are going to start with the section 1 of your unit 4. And the name of the section is The Boon of Words. Now, just see, before we read, we'll move through some points. That is, can a curse ever be a blessing in disguise? क्या कभी भी जो कर्स होता है वो कभी भी डिस्गाइज में एक ब्लेसिंग हो सकती है क्या? Read this story by Uma Raman about how a witty boy goes on to become famous because of a curse. Now इस स्टोरी को आप पढ़ोगे by Uma Raman about कैसे witty boy can go on to become famous because of a curse. एक कर्स के कारण वो कोई फेमस हो सकता है. It's a very amazing thing to be thought about. Once upon a time in the village of Tenali lived a boy called Raman. Raman was a very clever and good-looking boy, but he got on everyone's nerves. He was always playing pranks or making fun of people. He was quite irreverent and would even mock the elders of the village. Now, once upon a time in the village of Tenali lived a boy. So he was a very clever and good looking boy, but he got on everyone's nerves. मतलब irritate कर देता था वो हर किसी को. He was always playing pranks or making fun of people. हमेशा pranks करते रहना, always to keep make fun of people. He was quite irreverent and would even mock the elders of the village. He was quite disrespectful and he can even mock the elders of the village. Now elders who take themselves and their position seriously do not like to be made fun of. They decided that something had to be done about Raman. They caught hold of Raman's mother and warned her that her son would come to a sticky end if she did not take him in hand. He could not go around making a mockery of everything. They warned her that if he went on like that, he would be sent away from the village. Now, वो elders जो थे ना, who take themselves and their position seriously, they do not like to be made fun of. उन्हें मजाक उड़वाना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. They decided that something, कुछ तो उन्हें करना पड़ेगा, had to be done about Raman. They caught hold of Raman's mother and warned her. उन्होंने रमन की मदर को पकड़ा and they just warned her that her son would come to a sticky end. कि तुम्हारे बेटे के साथ में ना, he is going to get into a great trouble if she did not take him in hand. अगर तुमने उसके साथ strictly behave नहीं किया, तुमने उसे control नहीं किया, तो something wrong is going to happen to him. That is, he is going to get into trouble. He just could not go around making mockery of everything. हर चीज को mock करता हुआ घूम रहा. It's not at all allowed. And they warned her that if he continues his habits in the same way, then very sure that very soon he would be sent away from the village. उन्हें village से भेज दिया जाएगा. The poor woman did not know what to do. उस poor woman को नहीं पता था that what to do, क्या करना है. Raman did not take anything seriously. Raman ने किसी चीज को seriously नहीं लिया. Nor did he take an interest in any kind of occupation. ना ही उसने किसी तरह के कोई occupation में interest लिया. And along with that, after months of gentle reprimands and attempts at persuading Raman to turn over a new leaf, she really got fed up. A mother continuously, after months of scoldings and attempts to persuade करते थे Raman को to change for something better, she really got fed up. She found a holy man who was a teacher and sent Raman off to study with him. Maybe he will teach you something useful, she said. Don't come back till you have learnt enough to earn your living. Now she found a holy man, जो क्या थे, who was a teacher, and sent Raman off to study with him. और रमन को उनके साथ पढ़ने के लिए भेज दिया. Maybe he will teach you something useful. She learned, don't come back till you have learned enough to earn your living. उन्होंने बोला don't come back, तब तक वापस मत आना, till the time you have learned enough to earn your living. So Raman went off to study. Now Raman was actually quite good at his lessons. Raman चला गया पढ़ने. रमन एक्चुअली कैसा भी बच्चा हो, जब पढ़ने की बात आती थी एट हिज लेसन्स ही वाज वेरी गुड. When his mind was occupied, he even forget to play pranks. जब उनका mind occupied होता था ना, he even forgets to play the pranks. His teacher was very pleased with him. और उनके जो teacher थे, उससे बहुत pleased थे. They were very happy when it comes to the studies of Raman. Finally, one day the teacher told Raman, "Well, I have taught you all I can. Now you must go out into the world and seek your fortune." Finally, one day, टीचर ने रमन को कहा कि मैं जितना तुम्हें सिखा सकता था ना, I have taught you. Now you must go out into the world. अब बाहर की दुनिया में जाओ and seek your fortune. अपना भाग्य खुद बनाओ. But said Raman, रमन ने क्या बोला? I still do not know what I can do for a living. How will I face my mother? But रमन ने कहा कि नहीं, मुझे still अभी तक नहीं पता what I can do for a living. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? How will I face my mother? मैं अपनी मदर को कैसे फेस करूंगा? His teacher then taught him a mantra and told him to recite it at the nearby temple 3 million times. If you concentrate and recite it sincerely, he said, the goddess with her 1,000 heads will reveal herself to you. If you remain unafraid, you can ask her for a boon. Ask for her guidance. She will tell you about the occupation you can take up in life. Now, उनके टीचर ने, when he was very worried and he was not at all able to face his mother, his teacher taught him a mantra and told him कि इसे जाओ पास के एक टेम्पल में 3 million times recite it. अगर आपने इस पे कंसंट्रेट किया and along with the concentration, if you recite it sincerely, he said कि goddess with her 1,000 heads will reveal herself to you. वो आप खुद को reveal करेंगी. And if you remain unafraid, you can ask her for a boon. और अगर आप अनअफ्रेड रहते हो तो आप उनसे एक बून के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. बून इज अ काइंड ऑफ, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, इनाम मिल जाना, किसी तरह का कोई, जैसे गॉड होते हैं वो नहीं देते, वरदान देते हैं, दैट इज अ बून. आस्क फॉर हर गाइडेंस, उनके गाइडेंस के लिए उनसे बात करो. शी विल टेल यू अबाउट द ऑक्यूपेशन यू कैन टेक अप इन लाइफ. वो आपको बता देगी द ऑक्यूपेशन दैट यू कैन टेक अप इन योर लाइफ. So the next day, Raman got up early, bathed in the river and wore new clothes. So next day what happened? Raman बहुत ही quickly just got up. He bathed in the river and he wore new clothes. Then he went home and bought a plate of offering with coconut. And then he went home and he bought a plate of offering. उसमें coconut भी था. Some bananas, कुछ bananas थे. Betel leaves, पान के पत्ते and nuts, कुछ nuts थे. Joss sticks. जॉस किसको बोला? इंसेंस स्टिक्स. अगरबत्ती होती है सबके घर में, उसको हम जॉस स्टिक्स बोलते हैं. अ स्ट्रिंग ऑफ स्वीट स्मेलिंग जैस्मिन, एक माला जैस्मिन के फूलों की. एंड अ लंप ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंट कैम्फर, कपूर होता है ना, एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा कपूर का. ही देन सेट ऑफ टू रिसाइट द मंत्र ऑफ द टेम्पल. अब वो वहां पे बैठ गया आराम से, एंड वो जो मंत्र उसको उन्होंने दिया था, उसको उसने वहां पे एट द टेम्पल ही जस्ट स्टार्टेड रिसाइटिंग इट. Now he stood in front of the deity at the temple and began chanting the mantra. Now he stood in front of the deity. Deity किसको बोलते हैं? The God. वो भगवान के सामने खड़ा हुआ, joined his hand, closed his eye, that is in the temple, and he began chanting the mantra. मंत्र बोलना शुरू किया. He concentrated and repeated the mantra as sincerely as possible. उन्होंने concentrate किया and he repeated the mantra as sincerely as possible. He concentrated so hard he did not notice that it had turned dark or that the temple priest had locked up the shrine and gone home. Now उन्होंने concentrate किया and repeat किया इस मंत्र को as sincerely as possible. And he just concentrated so hard he did not notice that it had turned dark, कि अंधेरा हो चुका है. Or that the temple priest had locked up the shrine, कि temple priest ने shrine को, गुफा को बंद कर दिया, lock किया and had gone home, चले गए. When Raman had chanted the mantra 3 million times, goddess revealed herself to him in all her glory. Raman looked at her in awe, but was quite unafraid. When Raman had chanted the mantra 3 million times, goddess ने reveal किया खुद को in all her glory, and Raman looked at her in awe, but was quite unafraid, and he moved his head from side to side as he tried to take in all her 1,000 heads. But what he did, Raman ne dekha, Raman looked at her in awe, but he was quite unafraid. He moved his head from side to side, उन्होंने अपना head turn किया as he tried to take in all her 1,000 heads. Because he just wanted to take in all her 1,000 heads. वो एक नजर में उनके पूरे 1,000 heads को देखना चाहता था. So he was looking left to right and right to left again and again. The goddess seemed quite pleased to see a mortal who was so bold and unafraid. Now goddess seemed quite pleased to see a mortal who was so bold and unafraid. वो इतने bold और इतने unafraid. Suddenly a thought struck Raman and he burst into laughter. Suddenly रमन के दिमाग में ना एक थॉट आया and he burst into laughter. वो हंसने लगा. He laughed and laughed till tears streamed down his cheeks and he had to hold on to one of the temple pillars for support. Suddenly एक थॉट उनके दिमाग में आया रमन के and he just burst laughing and he laughed and laughed. वो तब तक हंसे जब तक कि sometimes होता है ना हमारे साथ, हम हंसते हैं आंखों से आंसू निकल आते हैं. So till the time the tears streamed down the cheeks and he had to hold on, और उन्हें रोकना पड़ा, to one of the temple pillars for support. उन्होंने अपने आप को रोका because he was laughing and he was just near about to fall and he just hold on to a pillar for the support, pillar of the temple to have a support. The goddess was stunned. For a moment, he had never seen a mortal who was not only terror struck by her form but also had the temerity to laugh at her. Now goddess Jyoti was stunned for a moment and she never had seen. उन्होंने कभी एक ऐसा human being नहीं देखा जो कैसा हो, जो ना ही सिर्फ एक terror struck हो by her form, उनकी form को देखकर they are having 1,000 heads, but also the temerity to laugh at her, but he also has the boldness that seems quite rude कि वो सिर्फ उससे घबराए नहीं बल्कि in place of the fear he is laughing. कि क्या हुआ? You funny mortal, how dare you laugh at me? He says, you small human being, तुम मुझ पे हंसे, तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? What do you find so funny? ऐसा तुम्हें क्या मजाक दिखा कि तुमने ऐसे हंसी उड़ाई? Raman tried to control himself and finally uttered these words between gusts of laughter. Raman tried to control himself and finally he uttered these words between gusts of laughter. Okay, so he tried to control himself and finally he uttered these words between the gust of laughter. I was just wondering, he gasped. उसने बोला, he just gasped to himself. He says, I was just wondering, what do you do when you have a cold? आप क्या करते हो जब आपको cold हो जाता है? That is, he says, we have one hand and अगर हमें cold हो जाए, we can hold it with our two hands. But what are you to do अगर आपको cold हो जाए? आप अपने 1,000 heads है, 1,000 noses को कैसे manage करोगी? We mortals find it so difficult with one nose and two hands. हमारे पास तो 2 hand है और 1 nose होती है. We find it difficult. Then how on the earth do you manage with 1,000 runny noses? आप 1,000 runny noses के साथ कैसे manage करोगी? So it was something really very amazing. So goddess was furious. अब वो जो goddess थी, she got furious. उन्हें गुस्सा आया. She raised all her 1,000 heads and looked down haughtily at Raman. उनको गुस्सा आया. उन्होंने क्या किया? She just raised all her 1,000 heads and she looked haughtily at Raman. Raman को बहुत गुस्से से देखा. Because you have dared to laugh at me, she cursed. उन्होंने बोला, because तुमने इतनी हिम्मत की that you laughed at me. You will earn your living as a jester. Now तुम देखो, तुम हंसे हो ना, तो do one thing. अब तुम्हें हंसने का ही काम सौंप देती हूँ. Now onwards you will earn your living. Just like what? You will live your life as a jester. Jester is a wicked kavi. You are going to live like that, and that is the occupation I give you. And he says, this is the particular occupation now onwards that I give you, because I was giving you the boon of your occupation that you are going to take up. So this is your occupation that you are going to take up. Now, Raman, however, was not upset. Raman bilkul upset nahi hua. Oh, that's great. He says, oh, that's great. He said, that is an interesting occupation. He says, ये तो बहुत interesting occupation है. whichever way you say it is palindrome. He says किसी भी तरीके से बोल दो ये तो palindrome है. Like विकटा कवि and उसको उल्टा पढ़ लो विकटा कवि. तो ये तो क्या है, palindrome हो गया. It reads the same left to right and right to left. It seems the same. चाहे left to right पढ़ डालो चाहे right to left पढ़ डालो. It is the same. Okay. Now the goddess was amazed at Raman's wit that made him see a joke even in a curse. Now goddess बहुत amazed हो गई रमन की इस will power को देख के. That such is the will power and such is the wisdom of this boy Raman that made him see a joke even in a curse. मैंने उसे एक श्राप दे दिया, but उसने उस श्राप में भी क्या ढूंढ लिया, एक joke. Amazing is this man. She was a little mollified and said, वो थोड़ी सी क्या हो गई, little mollified means she was little less angry, गुस्सा थी but was little less angry and said, well, since you have such a sense of humor, you will be a jester at the court of the king and make a name for yourself. She says, okay, so well, since you have such a sense of humor, आपके पास ऐसा sense of humor है, and because of this sense of humor, तुम क्या हो गया, now onwards you will be a jester at the court of the king and now make name for yourself. And that is exactly what happened, और यही था exactly जो हुआ. Raman went on to become a court jester. Raman court jester बन गया to King Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar and became very famous as Tenali Raman for his jokes and witty answers. And that is exactly what actually happened. Raman King के court में he became a jester to King Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar and he became very famous as Tenali Raman for his jokes and witty answer. किस लिए? अपने jokes और witty answers के लिए. Witty answers कहने का मतलब वो answers जो बहुत दिमाग से लिए जाते हैं. So all those were what kind of answers? They were some witty answers. Who wrote it? It's written by Umar Raman. So it was, I think, a very interesting, बहुत मजेदार chapter था. ठीक है. So you all have heard ना, एक jester के बारे में आपने सुना होगा, तेनाली रमन. So ये तेनाली रमन कौन थे? ये जो आप पढ़ रहे हो ना, ये this from this day onwards, when he was given a curse to be a jester, and that to be a jester in the king's court, and which king? Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar. And he really became famous there for his jokes and his witty answers. That is the answers that were full of wisdoms. उनके बहुत बुद्धि वाले, बहुत दिमाग वाले जो answers होते हैं ना, वो दिया करते थे. ठीक है? So this is, we can say, I hope this is a very beautiful chapter by Umar Raman and I hope you understand it. अच्छे से I think आपको समझ में आ गया है ये. चलो, that's good. And now remaining part, that is your question answer section वाला जो आपका पूरा part है, that we'll have from where, उसको हम कहाँ से देखेंगे? We'll take it from our PDF that I'll be sending it to you in your group. आप उसमें PDF check कर सकते हैं. All the exercises, all the question answer. Until then, what you have to do? Go through the chapter, read it very properly. I hope I have explained it well and you have understood it well. I hope there will be no doubts. Just go through it and you are going to find it very interesting. Okay? Chalo, this is all for the class. And now take care of yourself and we'll be meeting in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself and bye-bye.